Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Craving for some shrimp fried rice and also some buffalo wings. And I begin with preheating my pan and saute my chopped onion and garlic. And cook that through until it's nice and brown. And add your bacon to it. Mix it well until it's nice and brown, but you have to cover it. Put it away when it's all done. And add more olive oil to the pan. Cook your eggs. And I season that with salt and pepper. And set aside. And now I'm cooking my shrimp. And I season that with salt and pepper as well. Then put it away. Then I put it all back into my pan and add the rice as well. And I mix it through until it's all incorporated. Turn your heat down to a low heat and add your final touches. And also some peas to put some color into it. Well, the beach is a bit rough today and the ocean wave is very strong. And so that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.